Mobile Modular, how to prep your site for your water and/or holding tank. It's important you have a clear entrance point for your delivery. Make sure the site area is open and free of obstructions. The install team will unload a holding tank and/or a water tank. Here is an example of a holding tank which holds wastewater. And here's an example of the water tank which holds non-potable water. These are often used together and the team will need to unload them both. If you're hooking it up to your modular unit, make sure there's enough area around the unit so that the install team can easily hook up your equipment. Make sure the ground is clear and level. A typical install will need 30 inches of clearance. You can see here as an example, there's adequate room for the holding tank to be positioned under the trailer. And if you're hooking up a water tank as well, make sure there's adequate space near the holding tank. You need to have clear plumbing access for all necessary ports. Once the install team is finished hooking it up, you're all set, but you should watch out for unwanted leaks that could fill your holding tank. It's a good idea to keep the area clear if you need service. Each site can vary, and this information is based on a clear and level site. These quick and easy tips will make your install go smoothly and efficiently. Our professional team at Mobile Modular is ready to answer any of your questions.